This cloud looks like an eagle to me. Do y'all see it? Is it just me? The weather's better today, so I was able to get out and take my walk. And I'm bringing you along with me today. All right, so got the walk done. Yay. Now we're on our way to Winco. I have a few things that I need to pick up today. I'm going to show you why I really came. Let's go. Oh. Yeah, I got to get some of these. And this is why I really came. I popped in Kroger because they didn't have everything I was looking for at Winco. Well, these don't look good. Guess this one looks the best. Need an aloe. Check out the flowers on clearance. I can't live without today. That could change tomorrow. See if there's anything here at the clearance. Oh my gosh, these are calling. I don't need them. I love it. Vlogging today.
Aww.
Grocery shopping. Yay.
Are you on YouTube or TikTok?
YouTube. Do you do YouTube or
Yeah,
TikTok?
I do TikTok.
Do you like TikTok?
It takes a lot of patience.
Does it?
So there's a difference between being So there's a streamer and a TikTok creator.
What's the difference?
So a content creator is a person who makes videos and posts
Right.
and stuff like that. I'm a streamer. I go live.
So I go live too on
TikTok,
YouTube.
On YouTube.
But so can you have panels on TikTok?
Yeah.
You can? Now how come you don't do YouTube?
I never got it. People keep saying that, but I never got into YouTube. But I heard it's easy. I heard it's easy to get on TikTok, but I don't. Nobody gonna want to follow me because you make money based on your followers. And
Well, I
views.
haven't monetized yet. Because that's when the real problems start, is monetization. So I haven't done that yet. So I do lives now, but I'm trying to go into vlogs. So and just transfer over for the next year.
So I'm a streamer. So I go live and I stream with other creators and we battle.
Okay, what do you? It's like a debate.
No,
or-
so it's like a FaceTime call. So let's say me and you are on FaceTime, and the main goal is to beat the other person's score. So the people that are watching you, they have to send you gifts.
Got
The
you.
bigger the gift is, the more money you make. So the people that are
And do y'all just roast each other?
you can have a conversation, you can roast each other, you can do whatever you want. If you have a good solid team, you can make a lot of money.
No.
The most I've ever made in a week was maybe like $1,500.
Good deal.
And you get paid every week,
What?
Yeah.
On TikTok you get paid every week?
every Wednesday.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Can you stream to TikTok and YouTube? Do you know?
Yeah.
You can?
We
Okay.
can-
Awesome. Okay.
That was pretty cool that he shared with me about his TikTok. So who knows, you know? There are a lot of people out here blogging. You just got to get out and meet them and strike up conversations. All right, guys. So thank you for spending this time with me. It's now time for me to get back to work. Boo. So I'll see you guys later.